Dr. Donald Hohman, orthopedic surgeon with the Texas Orthopedic Associates in Dallas, Texas. I'm a board-certified, fellowship-trained joint replacement surgeon. I specialize in joint replacements of the hip and the knee. There are so many advances in technology that are available, that are cost-effective, and are very user-friendly. The opportunities for enhancing the surgeon's accuracy and performance are readily available. So, for example, one of the technologies that I've become very comfortable with and use quite frequently is the Ortholine technology. It's really essentially just a handheld navigation device, which with all of the arguments around alignment and how to put in the knees and which, what's the correct alignment, without getting into any of that, this really gives the surgeon real-time feedback and a very reliable and reproducible alignment mechanism that is far more accurate than what we know to be very reproducible in the hands of surgeons performing knee replacements and hip replacements, and it also helps correct a lot of the issues and some of the challenges surrounding hip replacement with positioning of the socket and correcting the leg length and even the offset. So it gives you real-time feedback that can be really, really quite helpful during the operation.